Jai Shri Ram, a short story for you. The message is very simple. If you are an adharmi, that means if you are, causing pain to others, looting, hurting, this is what you do, then Krishna won't even look at you. And all your attempts to do Abhishekam, Puja, Tirtha Yatra, this is all waste and it will actually backfire. This is the inference I draw from the situation where just before the war, Duryodhana and Arjuna both went to Dwaraka to request for Krishna's assistance. And Duryodhana landed first, but he saw Krishna was napping. So Krishna was taking a siesta, S-I-E-S-T-A, an afternoon nap. So Arjuna went and sat initially at his feet, but then he said, hey, I am an emperor, why should I sit at his feet? So he went and sat at the head. Arjuna came a little late, but he sat at the feet very quietly, waiting for Krishna to open his eyes. So Krishna woke up. When he opened his eyes, the first person he saw was Arjuna, and he asked, hey, how are you, man? How is family? Howdy, and all that. Then he looked around and he said, okay, Duryodhana said, how are you? Howdy, and all that. Then he asked Arjuna, what do you want? Why are you here? So Arjuna said, I just came to ask for your assistance. The rest of the story, I suppose you already know. So Duryodhana was terrified. He said, oh my God, this man is cheating. He started protesting, I came first, you should give me the first opportunity. Krishna argued, see, he is younger, and besides that, he is the first person I saw. You see, my eyes landed on him, my vision landed, sight landed on him. So finally, Duryodhana thought, now this man is planning to give away all his army. So Arjuna said, no, let him take. And finally, whatever, Arjuna got only Krishna. Unarmed Krishna to run the chariot. And Krishna interestingly asked Duryodhana, are you okay if I keep a, what do you call that, a small set of whips with which you control the horses? That's all I want to carry. Duryodhana said, okay, that's all right. Give me your entire Narayani Sena, which is one Akshori. So Duryodhana was very happy and he went away. But the fool did not realize that having Krishna on your side is greater than any army. So the moral of the story. So God will not even look at you. You might do big puja, Tirtha Yatra, and Abhishekam. I've seen some scoundrels do Abhishekam to Shiva daily. But they do all kinds of mean things, loot people, and in fact kill animals and eat them. Stop eating meat. And if you are feeling angry, go to hell. Anyway, you're going there if you're eating meat. Stop it. Stop causing pain to anybody. You can't even take an injection. The pain can't be tolerated, but you want chicken, mutton, you want to eat, kill, slaughter. I already gave you videos on we should give up meat. And don't give me any argument that meat is necessary for strength. Jai Shri Ram.